Hello! Today I've decided I'm gonna make 3 different kinds of chocolate chip cookies. So I got my cookbooks laid out there. I've got this cookbook, Tartine, and in it there's no chocolate chip cookie recipe, but there is a chocolate oatmeal walnut cookie recipe, so we're gonna use that. And then we're using Claire SAFFITZ'S dessert person cookbook. Hers is just a chocolate chip cookie. And then we're gonna use Bon Appetit's brown butter. And the main difference between the 3 is Claire SAFFITZ'S has brown butter and heavy cream. Tartine has, well, oatmeal and walnuts. So it's not really even just a straight up chocolate chip cookie. I'm really not gonna be comparing them like who's better. Obviously they're different. And then the last one over here is Bon Appetit's. I have that one on the computer. All of the butter on that one is brown. Only parts of Claire SAFFITZ'S is brown. And that one also uses toffee. Got some Heath bars to put in that one. Technically they're supposed to like age overnight, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna cook up some tomorrow morning to bring into work, I think. So yeah, I've measured out all of the dry ingredients here. Here we have Bon Appetit's, Tartine's, and then Claire's. Oh my gosh. I think I just turned the power off. Okay. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Okay. That looks disgusting. The next step on the Bon Appetit recipe is to mix until lightens and thickens after you add the egg and vanilla. I would say that's lightens and thickens. So I'm gonna use this chocolate. It's IKEA chocolate. It's like 99 cents. I just whack it. That way I don't even have to worry about chopping it. It's very dark. The butter was melted, so it's like this texture. So I'm just gonna put it in the fridge until I'm ready to use it. We're gonna do a dough taste test. I'm actually kind of afraid that I don't have enough chocolate chips. This one's Claire's. Claire came from Bon Appetit, so you can kind of see similar brown butter, dark brown sugar. But I'm excited to see what hers tastes like in comparison. So there it is. We're gonna cream it. I'm about to put in the flour and oats. This is Tartine's dough finished. Obviously it's way lighter in color because there's almost no brown sugar. And it's full of oats in chunks. This is Claire's, and this is Tartine's. They both bake at 370 or 350, so we're gonna put these 2 in together. They're in their respective sizes. This one's 3.5 ounces, and then this one's 2. That one needs like a little bit more because the center is still goopy. So I think I'm gonna take this one off. I don't know. It says 22 minutes. I put it in for 10 and it looks done to me. Oh, 30 seconds. I'm gonna make a sweeter vanilla milk. Basically it's just milk. I have homemade vanilla sugar, so I'm gonna use that, but you can just put a little bit of regular sugar in it. And then I also have homemade vanilla extract that I'm gonna put in there. But you could just use regular, and it is so good. Oh, and don't forget to put a little bit of salt in it too. The oven is now at 375 and we're just gonna finish. Okay, got some flaky salt. It's so you can see all of the vanilla specks in the milk. I think I'm most excited for Claire's because that looks really good. Okay, honestly, I'm most excited for the milk. I don't know if I did something wrong. I think, honestly, it's very good. It doesn't look right. But it tastes really good. I'm just so thrown off by the fact that I think it looks weird. That I don't know how to rate that one. Okay, now I have this one in front of me. So this is Claire's. Like that's undercarriage we've got going on. That's a beautiful cookie. It smells great. Honestly, it has a good dispersion of chocolate chips down here, so I already know that's gonna be good. Okay, here we go. It's not that thick, but it's soft on the inside. It's got like these striations around the edges. This is a great cookie. I would make that again. I also think it's a good size. And it's a good cookie to dip in chocolate milk. Okay, on to the big boy. I'm excited for this. I had no clue what this would look like because they didn't have pictures in the thing, but like here's the undercarriage. We got a hole here because we had a incident when we were taking it off of the pan, but I think we're gonna be okay. I just love the fact that it's huge. I'm just gonna take a bite. That's a really good cookie. It's not like a just plain chocolate chip cookie. It's definitely like oats and walnuts. I don't even know if you can compare it to these other two because it's just so different, but I would be impressed with this if I saw it in a bakery, honestly. Like it's big, it holds, it doesn't go flop. It smells good. It's not too intensely flavored. So like the brown butter, there's no brown butter, so it's not overwhelmingly brown buttery, although I'm not gonna lie, I think brown butter improves everything. But yeah, it's just a really solid cookie. The texture is really good. There's not too many oats. It's like, I almost don't know if you could tell that it's an oatmeal cookie when you like eat it. It's not like oatmeal forward. I hate that I just said that, but yeah, it's a good one to dunk into the milk. The winner's milk though. Please make this milk. I will say the vanilla sugar is kind of essential, so I recommend making it.